Go on! No Bruk Dawg can't style. Hey! So she like me. She love money, so she like me. Bruk Dawg. Ladies, stop put up on the panty. Why are you looking at my... Oh my gosh. Reaction. Ladies from Guyana, please take your beautiful look right now. Like, I don't want you guys to get distracted when the video starts. So just look. Look, I'm giving you the opportunity to look. So now that your panties are wet, we have a song called Bruk Dawg. And honestly, ladies, you know I'm not a Bruk Dawg, so I can take good care of you. Just like my fellow right here, Gully Ras. You understand? Just like no Iqbal crew, Drew Toven. Kush. You see me? Yes. Anyways, we have a New Year special going on for you guys. You gotta be on Drew's live. You understand me, to really get the scoop. So follow everybody on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, follow Gully Ras on Instagram, follow Kush on Instagram, follow Drew Toven on Instagram. Like on the video, comment on the video, see your comment in this video, like post. It's a boy Tyreke, aka the reaction. Who? The reaction who? 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 Boss! Back in the time with another video for you guys. Gully Ras, Bruk Dawg, run tune. Hey, produced by Drew. Hey, no cap enough. This artwork look like Gully Ras, but
don't say nothing. I tell Bruk Dawg just say something.
What?
Oh, you can talk. I ain't got nothing.
What?
You ain't got nothing.
What did I do? Why you said me not to say nothing? Why you said that? Why you told me? Why you telling me not to say nothing? What did I do? You thought that Bruk Dawg say something? Huh? Wait, I thought that Bruk nigga say something. I see what you not do. I see what I know of too. You little blood. Go on!
Don't really change. But can't them bro for you don't know the real.
Yeah.
Kicks them green like Johnny Cage.
Yeah.
Money in my pocket looking like book page.
What?
Okay. I know Bruk Dawg can style me. I know Bruk Dawg can mind she. She love money, so she like me.
Hey.
She love money, so she like.
So she don't love body then. And money I don't. No Bruk Dawg can't stand me. No Bruk Dawg can't mind she. She love money, so she like me. Hey, we get it though. Go on, we hear. We can listen. Go on. Go on.
No Bruk Dawg can mind she. She love money, so she like me. She love money, so she like me. I know Bruk Dawg can style me.
Yeah.
I know Bruk Dawg can mind she.
Not at all.
She love money,
So she like me. She love money, so she like me.
fresh day, fresh gear.
Yeah.
Louis on my feet, that's a fresh beer.
Oh, fresh tea. Fresh tea. Fresh gear on tune. You see me I say, well I look on my feet, you see me I say Balenciaga span the feet, you see me I say, go on.
Fresh out the gym, don't flex here.
Yeah.
Rope on the ends, get fresh ear.
Yeah.
New year, same Ras. Jackson just touch New York.
What?
More road, new car. My teeth them white, but me still flat.
Dawg them teeth them white but him still flash. Cannot be too clean, isn't me I say. Cannot be too clean. You know what I mean? I know Bruk Dawg can do what? I know Bruk. Ladies, stop getting distracted. Stop getting distracted. Stop wet up on the panty for God name. Go on! No Bruk Dawg can't style. Hey! So she like me. She love money, so she like me. Bruk Dawg. Ladies, stop wet up on the panty. Why are you looking at my... Oh my gosh. Like, females. That's... I'm not a girl in my mouth. You understand me? So you pussy not going to touch your diamond. I'm sorry. Go on! Can't mind me.
She love money,
So she like me. Money, so she like me.
Well on, don't say nothing. I tell Bruk Dawg
Just say something.
I tell Bruk Dawg just say something. I tell Bruk Dawg
Just say something.
Well on, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing.
Don't say nothing. Hey, the mix bad though.
I ain't got nothing. Ain't got nothing.
You ain't got nothing.
I know
Bruk Dawg can
style me.
I know Bruk Dawg can
She love money,
So she like me.
she love money,
So she like me.
I know Bruk Dawg can style me.
Bad.
I know Bruk Dawg.
Intermission time. What you toss? The song all soon done, but I want to talk one toss on the song. You see me I say, song bad? Song bad? This one way you have to say song no bad? Unless you're broke, and guess what? You can't style me in our Gully Ras right now. Because no bro, that can't style me. You see me? I say, the girl like money. She love money, so she like me. Females, stop. Females, come on. Y'all doing it to yourself. No, you changed like 3 panties already, right? Just don't worry, man. It's alright. Go on.
She love money,
So she like me. She love money, so she like me.
Well, don't say nothing. I talk broke that.
Don't say something. Broke that, just say something. Broke that, just say something. Well on. Don't say nothing.
I talk broke that.
Just say something.
I talk broke that.
Just say something.
I talk broke that.
Just say something. Reaction. Boss! Yo, people, watch us there now. Drip. Yo, so for those who follow me on Instagram, please, if you don't, Tyreke Vlogs, follow me on Instagram right now. Trust me. Yeah. So for those who knows what's happening, yesterday was the last night was very late and I was very yes. I don't know some of the things that I posted on that snap. Trust me, I don't know where I can't recall. Okay? I can't recall. However, this is the same, like, I haven't gotten no sleep and I went to work. If you don't know, I work in the nights. Like, I have a regular 9 to 5 job, but I work at nights to make my YouTube videos during the day. So I went to work messed up. How do I look? Do I still look messed up? Ladies, stop with the phone. Boom! Look, you just put up yourself again. Cha! I was asking a simple question though, like, look fast here? No. I'm late, dog. Ladies, stop it! Oh my god. You know what? It's alright. I know yet. It's alright, it's okay. It's alright, baby. You like it? Like that? Alright, yeah. Alright, cool. It's alright. Okay. Alright, baby. So let's. What else? Alright, baby. Later.